And a very good afternoon here on the 7th of June 2018. It's just 2 days until the 2-day Traders Basecamp workshop taking place on 9th and 10th of June. And we're looking forward to doing a case study around this dollar yen trade. It is one of the Liftoff 3.0 trading opportunities here on the live trading room. And it's quite a nice one as well because it also matches up with a Liftoff 1.0 trading opportunity, which we will be teaching on the 2-day workshop coming up on the 9th and 10th of June. You can see currently we are up £270 on this trading opportunity. We have an upside target of £1,500. You can see that if I hover over the target figure, you'll see there £1,567 of upside we're looking for just there. So where have we progressed to? On the last video that I made on the Monday, you can see that we were just triggered into the trade, and as a result of that I wanted to provide an update. So let's go ahead and just make the chart a little bit bigger here. Let's get rid of this, and let's just make this chart a little bigger so you can see that what we have here at this time, once we've zoomed into the price, is currently we have triggered into the trade and we are climbing higher. It may be looking like it's a little slow, and that's okay. This is a game of patience. The interesting thing is, of course, when we're testing the market, and if we're looking for these setups, obviously we're able to find the setups and find out whether they're profitable or losing very, very quickly. But in real time, of course, we do need to be patient, and that is one of the key attributes of trading. The beautiful thing about this methodology is what? It's 15 minutes a day. And you can see here that we are trading this dollar yen long at the moment. So let's understand the reason why we actually entered the trading opportunity. First of all, you can see in the market here, you have a confirmed swing low, which was this inside bar opportunity. You can see that that confirmed, and so we placed a limit order to actually enter the market on the high of this IB minus 1. Why am I calling this IB minus 1? Well, let me demonstrate here what the reasoning for that is. That is one of the three types of turning points. If you've seen our videos on YouTube around the three types of turning points, then you, of course, will already understand this. If you haven't, you should subscribe to our YouTube channel for those updates. So you can see here, first of all, this is the bar before this bar here, which of course is an inside bar. So this here being, of course, an inside bar means that the previous bar to it, of course, is what we call IB minus 1. And we have taken this opportunity long on the high of that IB minus 1. Now, we waited for, first of all, IB minus 1 to be broken out, which happened on Friday. Then on the Sunday evening, we placed the order to open, and we placed the buy limit order to buy at this price level. You can probably see the green and red line emerge together there. So the price did pull back on Monday. It pulled back. It took us into the trade. And then from there, you can see the price has moved higher. Now, you could look at it and say that this is an element of genius. Of course it is, because look, we caught the low of that market for where we wanted to enter. And from there, of course, it's just been upside. The great thing about the opportunity at this time is you can see that we have pretty much broken even. Our trailing stop loss is currently behind this red bar just here, this trending bar just here. Today, of course, we may have or may not have another opportunity to trail the stop loss. So we'll analyze that all very, very shortly. We'll know for sure if we have a trailing stop loss opportunity or not. But of course, there are different mechanisms in which this trailing stop will be done. We have pre-breaking the swing high rules. We have post-breaking swing high, and then we also have once an EC occurs. So you'll see that there are many different ways in which the stop loss is trailed just here. So do understand that is very, very important that we know how to manage the trade. And the great thing about this one, of course, already we have broken even. So whatever happens in terms of upside now, of course, is a great bonus for us, but we cannot make a loss on this trade anymore. So that's it from us for the time being. Let's go ahead and see how this pans out into the rest of today. Of course, there's still a very many number of trading hours, and the yen tends to move more aggressively towards the late hours of the evening. So we'll see what happens there, and also we'll get an opportunity to to review what happens with this on the Saturday on the Traders Base Camp, where we do the analysis with everyone live and in person. And the great thing about that, of course, is you get to see the market analysis happening live, real time, and you get to see all the updated information and statistics from the market that we have pulled for our own trading purposes. There on Traders Base Camp as well. So for those of you that are attending the weekend, we look forward to welcoming you on the 2-day workshop on Saturday morning. For those of you, of course, that are not, you have an opportunity to enroll for September. Just looking at the Traders Base Camp June at the moment, of course, that is now full, but we have opportunities for people to join in September. So we look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and trade like a master. Bye for now.